Okay, moving on. Swiss chard. This is one of our favorites to eat. Really like Swiss chard, and I like the colored ones better than the white ones. The white one definitely grows a whole lot better. So if you're having trouble with the colored ones, get the white ones. The white ones have really big leaves, really big stems. They taste great too. I don't know if there's much difference in taste, but I just like the colors. The colors are great, and they grow really well here, even into the winter. Spinach. We're going to try spinach. It usually tends to get a crop fast and then dies off. It bolts.
Very yummy.
And then beets. These grow pretty well here too. Mine haven't gotten huge here, but decent size for we grill them, make grilled vegetables with them in the oven. They're pretty good. These golden beets are really good. They don't come up as well, and they're more expensive as you can see, but well worth it. I think they're a really cool vegetable, and we just get a bunch of different kinds. There's all kinds of cool things. Like look at these neat beets you can grow. And these are cylindrical, more like a carrot beet. Easier to peel if you don't like to peel beets. Oh, I'm trying a various types. Carrots grow pretty well here. A little bit funky shaped, but they do grow okay and they taste fine. Sometimes there's those same bugs that eat the potatoes. They tend to chew on these carrots too. That's the only disappointing thing. If someone knows what those are, tell me. If there's a way to get rid of them, that'd be great. And you can grow any type of carrot. I got this mixed kind. I'm going to try that one as well this year. Turnips. This is the first year I'm going to be growing turnips. I'm pretty sure they're going to grow. I think they're usually pretty easy to grow. So I think this is the one that they use in gourmet cooking. It's like a Japanese white turnip. It says gourmet turnips. We'll give those a try. Apparently they're pretty good. Zucchini. They can be picky, but like as I said, give them lots of room and water and they will grow. The blossoms are also amazing to eat. We love eating the blossoms. It's a nice treat. And other squashes grow really well here too. Spaghetti squash, acorn, butternut, they all grow well here. Different kinds of squash. Cucumbers. I have the best luck with my cucumbers here in the greenhouse. Now my greenhouse got destroyed by like hurricane strength winds we had here in December. So I gotta build a temporary one because I still want to grow these inside a greenhouse this year. It's just amazing. We get cucumbers from early summer all the way into November. And they're just excellent. I love these ones. These ones are great. And these are probably one of my favorite ones. These Armenian yard long. Excellent. I made another video of these. I called them American yard long, but that's not true. They're Armenian yard long. Okay. Okay, and what else can we grow? Something else we're trying this year, changing our diet, is edible flowers. And apparently these all grow here. And you can eat the petals or flowers of all of these. Sunflowers, nasturtium, pansies, calendula. That's another nasturtium. This is a viola, a Johnny Jump Up, and chive blossoms. You can eat all of those. Apparently you can eat every single part of the sunflower, from stalk, root, to leaves and petals, even the seeds, everything, right? So that's a great plant. Yeah, anything you want. It's a totally non-toxic plant. And these just add some color and flavor to your beautiful salads that you're going to make with all of this wonderful greenery over here, okay? So, you can grow a lot of stuff on the coast here. West Coast, BC area. And as long as you get it in the ground, keep it watered when it's dry, and you'll get a pretty good outcome. Even if some of the stuff doesn't come up great, the more types of things you plant, you'll figure out what grows good in your area. It's a little bit of experimentation because there's such various climates around here. So give it a try. Don't give up. It's well worth it in the end once you do figure it out. And we are going to go plant some more of this stuff right now.
Can't wait.
And then we'll see what comes up. And you guys will get updates throughout the season. We'll show you how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
This is my seeding tips for BC. See ya.